Welcome to the world of Aquilon ERP software, the ultimate solution for small businesses in wholesale distribution and manufacturing. Aquilon ERP is a single, fully integrated system designed to streamline your business operations. Let's explore the advantages and features that set Aquilon apart. Aquilon ERP enables small and mid-sized organizations to streamline operations and improve profitability. Increase margins by effectively managing inventory costs and selling prices. Reduce manufacturing delays by implementing production planning and purchasing automation. Improve sales productivity and customer satisfaction with accurate quotations and enhanced service levels. Unlike products that integrate with pure accounting systems, Aquilon ERP offers a unified solution. Aquilon delivers solutions for manufacturers and wholesalers with best-of-class financial management tools. Aquilon is a fully integrated ERP system which includes customer relationship management, supplier relationship management, and a comprehensive, easy-to-use management dashboard. With one call for support and no duplication of master data or transactions, you get one set of numbers to work with, ensuring everything balances and ties back to the financial system. Aquilon ERP is highly configurable. Choose the modules you wish to license and configure the features you want to use. Need to switch off a feature? No problem. You can always turn it back on. With enterprise-class security, you control what your staff can and cannot do in the system, and you can set up specific menus to simplify navigation. The high-level management dashboard provides real-time status of all modules with drill-down capabilities to view details and transactions. You have control over the data displayed in queries. Create PDF reports and export to Excel based on your customized views. Experience the power of seamless integration and control with Aquilon ERP. Transform your business operations today.